bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me, meant to be.
Back here on some private property a friend of mine owns to do a little night camping by the lake. Look at the view. That's awesome.
Sometimes you need to go, take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great
What's up, everybody? Tim here. My son and I are camping out tonight. I'm on private property. It's not far from my house. Actually, I could get to my house through those woods up there. So anyway, it's our first time trying out the new rooftop tent, the Trailhead from Tough Stuff. We haven't camped in it yet, so we figured we'd stay close to home in case anything went wrong or whatever. So anyway, this is a really nice spot to camp anyway too, by the way. The sunsets back here are top notch. The scenery back here is awesome. I'll give you a little shot over here behind me, looking out across Lake Livingston. And getting our fire going. We got camp set up here. Got the tent all set up. We'll do a little fishing later tonight. And then just enjoy ourselves. I mean, haven't been camping in a while. I've been making these gear review videos, and I need to get out and camp. I need an actual camping video. I'm a little burnt out on all the stuff I've been doing at the house. So right now my boy's down by the water collecting some driftwood for some firewood for in the fire. Duh. Anyway, we're gonna make dinner here in a little bit, and just kind of give you some glimpses into our little camping life, and finish enjoying the scenery, and then try to catch some fish or something tonight. Usually we catch some pretty good sized fish back here. So anyway, that's my little setup right there. And yeah. So one thing I will point out, the light on the side of the tent over there, that is the little Goal Zero crush lanterns. Those things are awesome. They're solar powered, or you can charge them up by USB. 3 settings. On that setting right there, the thing will last for a couple of days. I also have my other favorite little lantern with me is this one right here that you get from Walmart, the Ozark Trail Lantern. They also have one called Core on Amazon. It looks just like it, but this thing's like 39 or 49 bucks at Walmart, and it's pretty bright. Let's see. Oh, there he goes. Want to push the button right. Anyway, it's dimmable. It's got the, you can down it and you can bring it back up, and it's pretty bright. I mean, it'll add a lot of light to the camp area. And the Goal Zero lantern here, I'll Turn that one on brighter. It's got, I hear my boy coming. That's its brightest setting there, which is plenty. All right, we're gonna finish getting our camp set up and get ready for dinner. Later. So, quick little show. Dinner for the night, piece of chicken, 2 little pork steaks, and a nice fire. And that tripod is the Coleman tripod grill. Well, how's it going, everybody? As y'all can see in the first part of this video, we went camping, and I kind of cut the video off, and I'll explain here in just a second why. So the night we went out camping, it was supposed to get down to like 67 degrees at night, which would have been fine for sleeping, and that's what we were hoping for. And it was nice while we were out camping, you know. I mean, we decided not to fish. We just had a great time, just me and Tyler and Bandit by the fire, and me and Tyler were roasting marshmallows, and that boy is like the world's best marshmallow roaster. I mean, they come out perfect every time. So we stuffed our bellies full of marshmallows the whole time we were out there anyway. And so around 11 o'clock at night, we decided, you know, we were getting tired, and we were like, you know what, let's crawl up in the rooftop tent and go to sleep. You know, this is the first time we're going to get to sleep in. It's going to be awesome. We're excited. So we turned out all the lights. We threw Bandit up through the window, which I have to stand on the tailgate of the truck and push him over through the window on the side because the little screen unzips down. Easiest way to get him in. And so we got him in, and we laid down and went to bed. Well, I have this little battery powered fan, and it's a little rechargeable fan. It's got a little light. And it puts out a decent amount of air. Little clip-on thing. So we had the little fan up in the tent with us, and we turned it on, and we went to bed. Now, about every hour on the hour, I was waking up because it was getting really muggy, and the temperature was coming up. So I can't sleep when it's warm, especially in a tent. I didn't have any blankets on me. I had to keep changing positions because I was starting to sweat. I looked over, Tyler's sweating, so I turned that fan on. I put it on. It's like, well, maybe the temperature will drop. No. The humidity down here came up because of that stupid hurricane that was coming through. So the humidity came back up, and the temperature was up around 74 degrees, and it was like 90% humidity, and we were dying in that thing. And so I woke up about every hour on the hour, struggling to sleep. So I can't really say whether or not the pad in the tent was adequate. I think it would have been if the temperature would have been fine for me to sleep, but I just couldn't sleep because I was just sweating and it was muggy hot, and it wasn't happening. So about 4 a.m. in the morning, I got up and I got Bandit out of the tent, and he was running around using the bathroom, and Tyler woke up and he asked me what I was doing, and I told him I just can't sleep. I'm tossing and turning because I'm sweating. I'm just miserable. I can't do this. And Tyler's like, yeah, I can't sleep either, Dad. It's just too hot. And he asked me, he goes, you want to just go to the house? I know you're making a video. And I said, it don't really matter about the video. I mean, I'll just make an ending at the house or whatever. So long story short, we packed up at 4 a.m. in the morning, and we came back to the house, and we went to sleep for a couple hours in the house with the AC on. I can't do. That's why I have the travel trailers, because I'm a big guy, and I can't sleep when it's hot. I gotta have like 65 or below to sleep fairly decent. At 65, I'm sleeping with a blanket off still. So I mean, I got the tent for cool weather nights to sleep in and camp, and I got the camper for in the summertime to go camping with AC. But that's why the video kind of stops at a certain point and you don't see like early in the mornings or anything like that. It's because it just turned, the weather went bad on us and it just got too muggy and too hot and we just couldn't do it, so we just left. That's why we went back there on my buddy's property, because it's not far from the house. And yeah, anyway, we like the rooftop tent, and I feel like I could have slept in that thing pretty good if the temperature would have been right. If the temperature would have been right, I think we would have done fine. But you know, the temperature's going down, the season's getting closer to the winter time, so maybe next time I'm home we'll give it another shot. I plan on trying to do a little hammock camping back there too, and do some videos of that, because this is Tim Havner Outdoors, not Tim Havner Overlanding or Tim Havner RV Camping. It's Tim Havner Outdoors, and we do everything outdoors here. So anyway, I got a lot of projects coming up. Y'all stay tuned. Keep up with my channel. Like, subscribe if you would. It helps us out a lot. I've had a lot of attention lately, and yeah. And check out my website. I just put a website up. Well, I've had it up. I've just been tinkering with it, not really promoting it. But I got a little website up I'm trying to play with, and kind of grow a little community on there, and show off some gear and maybe get some discounts for people or whatnot to buy some stuff, whatever. Just trying the normal thing that everybody else tries. So anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Hope y'all are having a good day. And until next time, later.